I got hoes calling a young nigga phone.
What's good, Breadwinners? Welcome back to Breadwinners TV. Today we're doing Types of All-School Users Part 2 because y'all liked the first one, so we're dropping the second one. Let's get straight to the video. Yeah, that.
The person who just had a breakup.
You good, bro?
Not really, bro. I'm just kind of living though.
Bro, the best thing to do to get out once you get out of a relationship is just go out and have fun.
Whatever, bro. Whatever, bro.
Just put on the music.
Hey, I've been thinking, you know, lately we just don't see eye to eye. Like, all we do is argue, all we do is fight. I feel like you don't understand me anymore. I don't think this is gonna work out.
Maybe go back to them days where we just laughed and we played, and when we would sit on the phone, even with nothing to say, cause I won't fight anymore. I know we got something in store. Baby, let's settle our differences, and let's just go back to before. Cause I be so late at night.
You good, bro?
I think about you all the time.
No, bro, I'm not good, bro.
One day
The guy with the messed up speakers. All right, bro, you ready to get some food?
Yeah, I'm ready.
I'm kind of hungry. All right, bet. All right, bro, I'm about to play some Drake. You a fan of Drake?
Yeah, he's alright. What song you got by him?
I got Hotline Bling right now.
It's one of his better ones.
Yeah, all right. Hey, why you smack my speaker like that?
What's wrong with this?
Oh, you see, I don't really know. Just try to ignore it while we're driving, all right? It don't sound.
I can't ignore that.
What's wrong with it? It doesn't sound that bad.
I'll just walk.
Where you going?
I'll just walk.
My speakers are doing that to you?
The person with no aux.
What's good, bro?
What's up, bro?
How you been?
Ready to go see Lion King 2?
Yeah.
Alright, bet.
All right. What you got for the aux?
What
you got on the aux?
Oh, I mean, I had it on 95.5. That's cool, right?
Rent, bills, childcare expenses, car
You listen to the
repairs,
radio?
or anything else.
You listen to the
We
radio?
Fix
Yeah, that's cool,
Money.com has
95.5,
been
that's all it
helping
hits.
customers for almost 10 years and is a proud member
Well,
of the online
it's on a
Lenders
commercial. Can you at least
Alliance,
change it?
which provides
Hold
guidelines.
up. I think I got one.
Hey, you're joking, right?
Huh?
You really don't got aux?
What do you mean? It's 94. Light adult hits.
Oh, that says wedding.
Billy. You ready to go? Let's go.
Nah, I'll call it Uber. I'm gonna call it Uber. Yeah.
No, but
The person who doesn't know the lyrics.
what's good, bro?
What's good, bro?
All right, I got a challenge for you.
All right, what's up?
If you have a gun to your head,
Yeah.
you have to recite every lyric of one song. If you miss up one lyric, you get killed.
I die?
Yeah, you die.
That's easy.
What song you gonna pick?
Jet Lag, Juice WRLD Future. Young Scooter.
All right, let's do it. Right now.
It's like, all right, bet. Let's go.
No warm up, nothing. Right now.
I take off the jeans, and make it back. In the back, I just want it double that. On this over that. Still on block, yeah. This bad for that.
Why are you still trying?
What you talking about, bro?
Why are you still trying?
I know all the words of the
You missed it. You missed the first word.
What? Nah, bruh, you're tripping.
Bah! You missed the first word.
Right now, nah, I got drugs.
You're not saying nothing. Bro, you're not saying nothing, bro. The guy who only listens to Chris Brown. Alright, what's good, bro?
Hey, what's good, bro?
You ready, bro? You ready to hear this crank?
Yeah, bro. I've been waiting for some crank, bro. Hey, who is this?
C Breezy, bro. A god.
Chris Brown?
I know it's late, baby, I can't focus.
Is this all you listen to?
Focus.
What you mean?
Alright, just go to a different song real quick. I just want to see how your playlist is.
Eternity, you know just go to my land.
Bruh, if this is another Chris Brown song, bro, I'm gonna shoot myself in the head, bro.
What you mean?
Huh? What song is this?
Privacy.
By who?
It's tough. Huh?
By who?
Chris Brown.
What the fuck, bro? I just told you to play a different song.
You want to play a different song?
Yeah, bro. Like, I can't listen to Chris Brown the whole time, bro. You got like any other artists like Gunna, Tory Lanez? Like, come on, bro.
What? Bro, this Pills and Automobiles, bro. You know you like this song.
How you got 3 Chris Brown songs in a row and your phone is on shuffle, bro? Okay, I kind of like this song.
What's up, Mo? It's the guys from the DMV. This joint finna be torch on mothers, Mo.
Hey, fool, you heard Bitcoin by Young Manny?
Nah, that joint crank.
Yeah, bro, it dropped crank, bro.
On mothers.
On mothers, brothers, fathers.
Oh, shit. Play it.
All right. Slide on your block and all black like a venom. She's jealous.
Oh, shit. When you listen to Spanish music, but don't know anything that they are saying. What's good, bruh?
What's up, bro?
I'm about to shuffle 6ix9ine's new album. His album's pretty tough, actually.
It is.
You ready?
Yeah, 369.
Oh.
Why'd you say all?
I mean, do you know what he's saying?
No.
It's still cranks, though.
I just like it because 6ix9ine's on it for real, for real. Well done, bro, this is the best way to learn Spanish, bro.
Sylvester.
What's up, Sylvester?
I can't take my hands off the steering wheel while I'm driving.
We haven't gone anywhere yet. We're still in the garage.
Okay, hello. How's it going? Are you ready to take off in my spaceship?
Yeah. What is that on your face?
Well, I told you that I lost my goggles when I was fighting in the galaxy, and now I have to wear these temporary goggles until I get my goggles back. Let's go.
They got eyelashes on them, bro.
I understand that, but... Okay, let's go. Are you ready to take off?
Yeah. What you got on the aux?
Do you mean the auxiliary cord that's right there?
Yeah, the auxiliary cord that's right there.
Oh, well, I actually have a new song for you.
All right.
Oh, and by the way, shout out to Ellie Weiss and a Venegas for subscribing to our channel. Do you want to hear the song I have for you?
Yeah.
All right, let's do this.
She want me, I want her. She want me to be her boo. You so silly, don't get it. Now turn around, drop it low, pick it up. Ooh, big, we get paid over here. Broke niggas gon' stand over there, taking over there. Little booties, they mad over here. Now stop. Wait a minute, now back at it like a motherfucking crack. Sex addict, I'm a motherfucking sex addict. Hit shorty from the back, got a back crack it. Back. I love whole bitches, not my fucking problem. Yeah, I like to fuck hoes, I got a fucking problem. Bang, and the chicken wing, bitch.
The guy whose ego doesn't match his playlist.
What's good, G?
Good, bro. You ready to go?
Yeah, let me load up my glick real quick. My strap.
Why do you have that? We're just going to the movies.
Hey, nah, fool. We gotta do a drive by real quick.
All right.
You down, fool?
I mean, it don't really matter.
You're not gonna pussy out on me, are you?
Nah.
All right, fool.
All right.
But I need something to put me in the mood for real. I mean, I'm already in the mood because fuck that nigga. But like, I need to be in the mood. So let me get the aux real quick. I'm gonna put you under some killer music.
All right, I guess.
All right, bro. Just like killer music, bro. I might shoot you, bro.
Cool it, bro. Cool it.
You better not snitch on me, bro.
I'm not gonna snitch, bro. Chill. All you. Alright, cool it, bro. Come on. I'm cool, bro.
We were both young when I first saw you. I closed my eyes and the flashbacks.
Fuck, you got that face for?
Hold on, bro. My fault.
You don't like this?
Nah.
You got
It
issue with my music?
Nah. It cranks.
Alright.
It cranks.
See the lights, see the party, the ball gowns. See you make your way through the crowd and say hello. Little did
Dance, fool.
then you were Romeo, you were throwing the pebbles. My daddy said
Stay away from Julie. Yeah, I see you, fools. Hey,
begging,
please don't go. And I said, Romeo, take me. We can be alone. I'll be waiting.
all there's left to do is one. You'll be the prince and I'll be the princess. It's a love story, baby, just say yes.
What's good, Breadwinners? If you're watching this and you made it to the end of the video, please remember to like, comment, share, and if you're new to the channel, subscribe. Make sure to turn on post notifications so you never miss another video. Breadwinners TV, we out.
Baby, it don't matter if you're black or white. I said, thinking of being my baby, it don't matter if you're black or white.